Hello guys, in today's video I am giving you introduction about Power BI. What is Power BI? What are main parts or elements of Power BI and what are different building blocks of Power BI? So first we'll start with what is Power BI. Power BI Power BI is a standalone Microsoft Business Intelligence tool which have both desktop and web-based application for loading, modeling, and visualizing data. Okay, or we can say we can create stunning reports, dashboard to get interactive insight of our business. So this was definition for Power BI. Now our next question will be like, when is Power BI introduced? So Power BI is not a new tool in market. It has been around for 8 years. Officially, Microsoft has introduced Power BI in July 2015. But earlier, Microsoft has introduced pivot table and Power Query in 2010. In Excel, we can use pivot table and Power Query using add-ins in Excel after 2010. And again in 2013, Microsoft has introduced Power View and Power Map in Excel. Okay, but Excel is not a cloud service and they have limit on rows in Excel. So Power BI is introduced to remove these limitations of Excel. Microsoft have combined all these tools like pivot table, Power Query, Power Map, and Power View, and they introduce Power BI. Okay, so Power BI is on the same engine as we have our Power Excel, where we have all these tools. Okay, so Power BI is a cloud-based application and there is no limit on rows in Power BI. Okay, now next question will be how it can help, what we can do using Power BI. So Power BI let us easily connect to our sources and we can connect different data sources. Power BI has given us a huge list of data sources. Those we can connect with Power BI. Okay, simply you can say these are 4 things that we can use Power BI. Like we can aggregate, we can analyze and visualize and share our data using Power BI. Okay, so these are like some common factors that how we can use Power BI. Now, if you want a accurate definition for Power BI, so we can say it is a self-service business tool on cloud, which can be used for reporting and data analysis from different data sources. It is very easy and user-friendly, as well as it is very powerful tool. Okay, now next question is, what are main elements or parts of Power BI? So Power BI has 3 main parts. One is Power BI desktop, second one is Power BI service, and third one is Power BI mobile. So now we'll explain what is Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is a local application. We can design reports here in Power BI desktop. We can load our data and we can transform or clean up our data into Power BI desktop, and we can start creating visualization and report in Power BI desktop. Next one is Power BI services. Power BI service is cloud service. We should have a Microsoft account to sign up in Power BI services. We should use any official or educational mail ID to use Power BI services. It is not allowed to us to use any private domain mail ID like Yahoo, Gmail, or Hotmail. We should have any official or educational mail ID to log in into Power BI services. Next one is Power BI mobile. So Power BI mobile, this one is a mobile application. This is existing for Windows phone, Android phone, iOS, and for tablets also. So we can be in touch with, we can interact with our reports and dashboard using our Power BI mobile. Now I will explain you a common flow of Power BI. So this is a common flow for Power BI. First thing is, like, first of all, we will load data. Like, we can import or get data into Power BI desktop. After that, we will start creating reports. Once we will create report, we'll customize our report. After that, we will publish those reports on Power BI services. Once our report is published on Power BI services, Power BI service is your cloud service. Now we'll create dashboard there on Power BI services. Once we create dashboard, we can share our dashboard from Power BI services, and we can view our dashboard or our reports on mobile application. So this is a common flow of Power BI. Okay, so first of all, we need to load data. We can transform our data there, and we can create reports in Power BI desktop. And after finishing creating our report thing, we will publish our report on Power BI services. There we will create dashboard. Okay, so this is the common flow of Power BI. Next question is, what are different building blocks of Power BI? So as we know, like, everything is made up of some simple things. So Power BI also has some building blocks in it. Those are like visualization, data set, reports, dashboard, and tiles. So what are these different building blocks? First is our visualization. Visualization is a visual representation of our data. It may be a chart, a table, or anything we can visualize from our data set. Okay? So it will like a representation of our data. So this is visualization. Next one is data set. Data set is a collection of data or information that Power BI uses to create its visualization. So we can connect to predefined data set, or we can create our own data into Power BI. Okay. Next one is report. Report is a collection of visualization that appears together on one or more pages. You can say this is a combination of pages or visualization on a page. Okay. Next one is our dashboard. Dashboard is like this is like a cover page. Like, we will using all visualization or visualization from reports and summarize our key factors on a single page. This is like a canvas. So like a canvas, we represent our reports on single page. Is called a dashboard. Next one is tiles. Tiles is a rectangular box formed around any particular visualization, or you can say a frame around any visualization in report or as well as in a dashboard. Okay. So these are different building blocks of Power BI. So in today's video, I have explained you about Power BI, what is Power BI, different parts of Power BI, and building blocks of Power BI. So now if you want like a whole summary of this video, then a Power BI, it is a self-service business tool on cloud, which we can use for creating interactive reports and dashboard. So we'll load data into Power BI desktop, we will clean up our data, and we'll create reports in Power BI desktop. After that, we will publish those reports on Power BI services. There we can create dashboard, we can share dashboard with other person, and we can view reports and dashboard on our mobile application. So this is the whole flow of our Power BI tool. I hope this video is useful for you. I will be uploading more videos soon, more informational videos. So thank you for watching.